Puff shirt green and the puff I'm on. This shit go hard so the pit be strong. Rage or die, what the fuck y'all want? Can't stop, we won't stop. Put it to your chest like a buckshot. Take a look at my eyes, they bloodshot. Like K-Dot said, bitch, fuck that. Get stupid, lose control, break your neck, motherfucker, yeah, that's the goal. Heart, soul, till your body can't go. Give it all you got, that's why, let's go. Yeah, I'm the devil, I'm the hell raised when I'm level. The sneakers up in that bass loud till I bleed out that treble. Make it loud if the show is what we're working with. Take the crowd and make them open up a circle pit. Slap squad, now, 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 slap squad, now, 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 now.
Yes! GG! Oh my god, I die like at the first 30%, like 90% of my death. Seriously. Oh, I'm so glad I'm done. This level was fun, but like the shit part in the first 30%, my god, I died so many times there. I mean, I completely fluked the second half. I mean, not even fluked because it's way easier. I think the second half is way easier in terms of just how challenging the timings are. First half is more challenging for sure. I like everything in terms of decoration, and I really like the use of this song. And even, you know, most of the gameplay is not that bad, but just a few sections in the first half gave me a lot of trouble, more than I wish for. But this is definitely feature worthy. This is very fun. Vol just, you know, he keeps handing out great fucking demons. So yeah, I recommend it for sure. It's fun. Go play it. I would say medium demon, specifically because of the first half. A lot of timings. Part 3, let's go.